Gasi opens its doors in Jayanagar. A brand new dining experience has arrived at Jayanagar 7th block near Yediur Lake. Say hello to Gasi, a premium pure vegetarian restaurant that promises flavor, elegance, and comfort all in one place. The launch was nothing short of amazing, with a beautiful setup, great energy, and lots of happy guests. Gasi made a stunning first impression, from warm lights and cozy interiors to dishes that wowed everyone. It was a night to remember.
Hi, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I am Sneha. I am born and brought up in Bangalore. I am a techie by profession. I am into software industry. So, food and beverage industry has been my passion for quite some time now. Hence the project Garsi. Garsi is an acronym for Garden City. All of us know that Bangalore is called as Garden City, hence the name. Okay, we are a pure veg restaurant. Located in South Bangalore. To be more precise, we are located in Jayanagar 7th block. To talk about the dishes, right, we have multi-cuisine. So we have Indian, continental, Pan-Asian, and we have tried to bring flavors of, we have tried to add mock meat so that it would not disappoint non-vegetarians as well. Infused flavors of Chettinad, Kannur, and Mangalore style masalas. Yeah, that's about right. So ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವು ಹೊಸ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಒಂದು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಗಾರ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಕ್ವಿಝೀನ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಜಯನಗರ್ 7th block. So I would all request you to come down to experience the warm ambience that we have and the multi cuisine or the fusion that is brought onto a single platter.
ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ವೇತಾ ರಘುನಾಥ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಜಯನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಜಾಗ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಗಾರ್ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದೇ ಸೇ, ಗುಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಟು ಜೆನ್ಯುನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. It's very yummy food. It's a fusion vegetarian food. Some very creative mocktails. This is in Jayanagar 7th block. So ಎಲ್ರು ಖಂಡಿತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. And
it says pure veg, but nothing pure veg like what you get usually everywhere here. Here we have soup from Sri Lanka. We have Tamka Pak, that is from Thailand. We have different cuisines here. This is what we do. Our desserts are different. Our main courses are different. Our food is different. So when you come here, you will really have an experience. It's not that regular places where you go, you get your soups or an Indian food and things like that. Even our Indian food, it's made like a fusion. Like if people are looking for some good starters, people come here, they get amuse in Golgappe. So everything from the time you enter till you leave, you will have an experience. That's it. Thank you.
I'm Chef Bala. I'm working in Garsi restaurant. We are the new branded. We have the multi-cuisine restaurant. We have the different types of cuisine. We have Pan-Asian, continental, European food, and we have the South Indian food, and Indian, tandoor, and wonderful pastries, everything we have.
Hi, this is Kalpana, and I've just received an invitation to come to visit Garsi. It's amazing place, and it's Instagram worthy. It's all pink, and I'm sure you're gonna get amazing pictures. The food is amazing, and it's all vegetarian food that you will get if you are a vegetarian person. So you have lots of option to eat, and they have amazing mocktails on the house too.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಚಂದನ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದು ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ್ಯಂಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಫುಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಕ್ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ